Hello friends, welcome to you on Delhi IAS. Friends, today is day 26 of my preparation and my target, that is UPSC CSE 2024. 343 days are remaining for my prelims exam. Okay, so without any delay, let us see what will be my today's schedule to achieve my goal and become a IAS officer in UPSC CSE 2024. Okay, so day 26 and today's date is 18th of June 2023. Okay, and today is basically Sunday. So Sunday is a fun day, but fun day for normal people. I am on a mission, so it's not as much fun day as like other people. I have to do some work on Sunday as well. Okay, because competition is very tough and I have to make it very easy. Okay, so what I will do, basically right now time is nearly 11. Right now time is 11 a.m. of the morning. Today I became 1 hour late due to some, nowadays as I discussed earlier, I am going through a situation which is not normal and I will explain later. Okay, leave it. So right now it is 11 a.m. What I will do today, as it is Sunday, I will do reflection of my last week. Okay, whatever I have studied, what techniques I have used, and whatever I have studied, I will do reflection on that, how much I have done and how much improvement I can do, so that I will get continuous improvement. Okay, so this is my main motto or main thing of my today's main agenda of today's. Okay, first is reflection and second thing is, wait a second, yes, second thing is, what is this, yes, first is reflection, second I have to do, after reflection I will do planning of my next week. What I will do next week, I will do quick planning in 1 hour, you can say near from 6 to 8 p.m. Okay, quick planning what I will do during next week and yes, how I will do that, and during remaining time, if time permits, then I will do other things, like I have some pending work of sociology unit 5 and 6 revision 2. Okay, so this is my today's schedule. I will try to improve. Okay, thank you for your kind support. Please subscribe the channel, it gives me motivation to do continuous improvement. Thank you.